Only perfectly ripened cocoa pods are selected to ensure the smooth chocolate coating of Reese's peanut butter cups.
Harvesting preserves both the tree and the quality of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups cocoa.
Fresh cocoa beans form the heart of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups chocolate.
Fermentation unlocks the chocolate flavor essential to Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Drying prepares cocoa for long-term storage and transport.
Only premium cocoa qualifies for Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
High-protein peanuts create the signature Reese filling. Peanuts are lifted gently to protect their oils.
Every peanut is purified before becoming Reese's creamy filling.
Only evenly sized peanuts are chosen to create the smooth texture of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups filling.
Defective peanuts are removed to protect the flavor of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
Cane juice becomes the base for the sugar in Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
Purified sugar juice ensures clean sweetness.
Crystals become the sugar blended into Reese's chocolate.
Dry sugar ensures long shelf life. Sugar is now ready for transport.
All raw materials are now ready for global transport.
A little further back, hold it there. Pass me the strap, I've got this row secured.
In Systems Logistics, approaching destination. Turn right at the factory gate in 500 feet.
Verify the seals before we break the lock.
Seals confirmed. Everything looks secure.
Only approved cocoa enters production.
Food safety is guaranteed. Reese's production can now begin.
Purified cocoa beans ensure clean chocolate flavor.
Cooling locks in flavor.
Shells separate from valuable cocoa nibs.
Grinding releases cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter gives smoothness.
Pure butter is stored.
chocolate becomes silky smooth.
Conching develops smooth texture and full chocolate flavor.
Roasting develops nutty flavor essential for Reese's peanut butter cups.
Clean peanuts are ready for grinding.
Peanut butter is ready for cup filling.
Peanut butter is stabilized until cup filling.
Molds are ready to form chocolate shells. Vibration ensures smooth, uniform chocolate shells for Reese's peanut butter cups. Proper shell thickness is critical for Reese's peanut butter cups. Partial cooling prepares shells for peanut butter filling. Accurate peanut butter dosing ensures consistency in every Reese's peanut butter cup.
Level filling ensures perfect chocolate coverage later.
Top chocolate layer ensures complete enclosure of peanut butter filling. Cups are now ready for packaging process.
Weight accuracy ensures every Reese's peanut butter cup meets quality standards.
Cups are now ready for rigorous QA inspection.
Visual inspection ensures each Reese's peanut butter cup is flawless.
Safety is critical for Reese's peanut butter cups production.
Batch codes allow tracking from factory to customer. In opening, aluminum foil preserves freshness and prevents contamination.
Properly sealed cups maintain freshness and hygiene.
Cartons are sealed for shipping to retailers.
Proper sealing ensures cartons remain intact during transportation.
Date codes ensure traceability and product safety. Shrink wrapping keeps cartons secure during transport and storage. Cold storage maintains product freshness until distribution. Refrigerated transport maintains chocolate quality during delivery. Retail presentation enhances customer experience for Reese's peanut butter cups.
Customers choose Reese's peanut butter cups for their favorite snack.
Purchase of Reese's peanut butter cups is completed efficiently. Reese's peanut butter cups reach the customer, completing the journey from factory to home. Every Reese's peanut butter cup is ready to be enjoyed.
Perfect texture and flavor combination of Reese's peanut butter cups delights the consumer.
Every bite showcases the quality craftsmanship of Reese's peanut butter cups.
The perfect balance of chocolate and peanut butter in every Reese's peanut butter cup is evident. The Reese's peanut butter cup journey from factory to taste satisfaction is complete.
Multiple Reese's peanut butter cups provide consistent taste and quality.
Reese's peanut butter cups bring joy and shared moments to families.
Even after sharing, the Reese's peanut butter cup maintains perfect texture and flavor.
The journey of Reese's peanut butter cups from farm to home completes with perfect taste and quality.
Proper storage preserves the quality of Reese's peanut butter cups.